Oddball, it's Milo here, and you're watching Trading Cards. Today on Trading Cards, I'm joined with the Life Force, this cat that's going to Trippy Rips. Say goodbye to this cat. It was nice knowing you. And Lex Luger. And today we are opening Capybara cards from AliExpress. Look at this thing. Did you ever see that video of the capybaras with the oranges on their heads? That's where that's from. Look at this one. Whoa, it's having so much fun. Let's have fun like the capybaras. So I'm gonna rip 10 packs. That might be ambitious. We'll see how it goes. That's what the backs look like. Just some capybaras and they're having a good time. Sun's out, buns out, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so our first card here is this blue SEC card. I think this one might be special because it is significantly thicker than the rest of the cards. I think we got our box hit in pack 1. Well, even the back is different. Look, this one's got a little hat. B capybara over here. Alright. This is a pretty serious capybara. Alright, we got the early retirement card. This is a subset, I believe. One stacked on top of the other. Oh, it's just a 3-card pack. These cards are so thick. And then we got this one that's on Hinge or some sort of dating site. Capybara, 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 it says at the bottom there. Okay. Alright. So an SR, an SSR, and an SEC. I think that SEC, I'll leave the SEC up and hopefully we'll get other hits. Do you like capybaras? When you go to the zoo, are you like, whoa, let's check out the capybaras? I am. Oh, nice. We got a lucky 4-leaf clover capybara. Most of these clovers are three-leaf clovers. But we got a couple 4-leaf ones, and then also it's a capybara on top of a capybara with a duck on top. So you know that's pretty lucky. Oh, this is all of the bottom say capybara, capybara, capybara. Yeah, we get it. we understand what this set is about. This one is riding a koi fish. And then our early retirement is enjoying a cake. You gotta. If you're gonna retire, you might as well, huh? Holy smokes, look at this stack. That's capybara overload. That's a lot of capybaras on capybaras. Early retirement, you gotta. You got that many people you gotta take care of? How can you work at the same time? Too many capybaras. One too many, I'd say. Oh, look at this sweet little honey pot. And it's got some really important information at the bottom. And then our hit in this pack is damaged. Oh no! I was gonna get this one graded. Let's see what... Oh, it's the best one too. That's a shame. Look at this. Capybara is holding a black lotus. You could sacrifice this for 3 mana of any color. It's an SQ. Too bad this one's damaged. This one, I would put in a gold chain and I'd wear it to a card show. You know what they say, gotta rip some more packs of capybara. If you get a damaged capybara, you gotta go rip them all. Alright, so we got our early retirement card is a capybara on a turtle. And then we have a capybara eating some ramen with the important information at the bottom. Those look like our base cards. You're always going to get the early retirement and the SR that says capybara, capybara, capybara. And then you get a special card. And this one is a gold CR. And it's a capybara. Looks like it has a morning coffee and then it's brushing its teeth at the same time. What are you up to? You're either brushing your teeth or having a cotton candy with your coffee. Neither of those are good things. It doesn't make the coffee taste better. These capybaras, they need to learn how to drink coffee. They're out of control, these capybaras. All right, we have taken a bath in the cup. It's not gonna make your coffee taste better either. Oh no! This capybara slipped on a banana peel. And the dang capybara hurt itself. That's a sad card. Capybara, 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 capybara. And our hit, this one is not damaged. Oh, it's like the brushing the teeth one. It's a capybara enjoying a ladybug. What is going on here? What are you eating, a pizza? I think that's supposed to be a pizza. Capybara having a pizza time. Alright, so the CRs don't seem to be super rare. But we've only opened a few packs. We've only got a few packs left to open. We're halfway through. Do you like capybaras? There's a park near me. And they have a tiny zoo with just a couple animals in it, but they definitely have the capybaras. And what is happening here? What is going on? I thought these capybaras all loved each other and they're having a good time together. I'd be a lot more cautious about which capybara's on my back if they're up to this kind of stuff. This is dark. And then our early retirement card. So when the capybara just jumped on the bird, flew away. No wonder. Siblings are out of control. And what's our hit? Boom. It's another light blue one. We have the capybara ramen chef. Is this a ramen or is this like some sort of stew? Got corn, mushrooms, green onion. I think that's green onion. I'd eat that stew. It's making me kind of hungry right now. That's a good one. I like that card. We got some good capybaras today. I was worried we wouldn't get any capybara cards. But this set is chock full of them. We got the capybara enjoying a boba. Having a little boba. And this capybara is a chicken wing. Having some fried chicken. Popeye's capybara style. This one is cute too. Early retirement. And then our hit is, boom, another gold. Capybara Happy. This one's got some English on it. What do you think of this set? Is this something that you think that you would like to get in a package from me? If so, contact me after Canada Post stops going on strike and maybe we can work something out. Oh, we got a lucky capybara here. A couple 4-leaf clovers. Enjoying its luck. No doubles yet, which is pretty cool. This is when the capybara buys a new hat. Looks like it bought a new hat. Big old yellow rain hat. And then our hit. What color is it gonna be? Boom, light blue again. Oh, nice. We got the capybara that's from that YouTube video with the orange on its head. That's a famous capybara, maybe the most famous. 2 packs to go. Oh, we got something special here. This is the back of the card. Capybara having a bath. Whoa, in the front, this is an HR. This got to be super rare. It's got the full family on it. We got the capybara with the orange on its head. And then we got Princess Leia capybara and Boba capybara. They're all in the water, having a nice steam. That's probably our rarest card. And then we got this SSR for early retirements, another Black Lotus. This thing's chock full of Black Lotuses. And what I thought was the hit before, but just doesn't count as a hit anymore, I guess, is a capybara enjoying a watermelon. This seems to be the most common of the rarer cards. I mean, I could look it up, find out what the rarest card type is, but I'm not gonna, because I don't care. Alright, last pack. Make sure to subscribe. Y'all, make sure to subscribe, like the video, leave a comment if you're nasty. What do we got here? Early retirement. Oh, this one might be a double. This might be our first double. Or maybe I just recognize that from the box. Oh, hello. Pleased to meet. Nice to meet you, Capybara. Haven't seen one of you before. Alright, and our last card for the rip. Oh, get out. Are you kidding me? Swashbuckler Capybara? This is the SQs is where it's at. These are beautiful cards. Wow, they're almost as good as that Lex Luger. Probably even better. Some would say better than that Lex Luger. That Lex Luger. Look at this. This is better than you. This is better than you. This capybara might even be more ripped. We don't know. We got our one-piece capybara. And that's it for the rip. Big thanks to all of you for watching. Take care. See you next time. Bye, everybody.